Hello, this is CS50 web programming, and this is my Project1 Wikipedia where we are using Django. And first of all, let's do the entry page where we should render wiki and the title. Let's try wiki CSS, for example, and it should take us to the page. Let's try a different one, maybe Python. There we go, and we go to the Python page. If we use one that we don't have on our index page, it should take us to a non-existing page. Here we go. Entry not found. Sorry, the entry you are looking for was not found. And the next step is an index, where all the pages should be clickable. Let's see that. Yes, Git as well, HTML as well, Python as well. The next step is search box, where we should be able to look for the pages that we have. Let's try CS. Here we go, and it takes us right to the page. Let's try Python. There you go. Or imagine if we just put a letter, it should do the same thing. There you go, and the page should be clickable as well. The next step is creating a page. If we try and create a page that already exists, we're not gonna be able to do that. Let's try to create CSS where it's one of them that exists. There you go. This entry already exists. If you want to view or edit, please click here, or you can change the new entry name down here. Let's go and create one that we don't have yet. Let's try SQL and submit. There you go, and we have now SQL. Next one, we can try and edit this page, for example. We're not gonna do nothing here, but we can do like CSS plus and submit. There you go, and we just edit this page. And next one, we should be able to do the random page, and should be taken to any page randomly. And for all these entries we use Markdown, and I hope you enjoyed. This was my Project1 Wikipedia.